Can you buy stock on Coinbase? No, you can't buy traditional stocks on Coinbase. Coinbase is primarily known for being a platform dedicated to trading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It offers various features and tools for buying, selling, and managing digital assets, but does not provide services for trading conventional stocks. If you're interested in investing in stocks, you'll need to use a brokerage account with a different platform that supports stock trading. Several popular options include Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity. These platforms are designed specifically for the stock market and offer a range of services, such as real-time market data, research tools, and trade execution capabilities. They cater to both novice and experienced investors, allowing you to buy and sell shares of companies, track your portfolio, and access various investment resources. In summary, while Coinbase excels in the realm of cryptocurrency, traditional stock investments require using a dedicated stock trading platform to meet your financial goals.